Bybit is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers various ways to make money. Here's how you can earn on the platform. Trading cryptocurrency. The primary way to make money on Bybit is through buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You can take advantage of price fluctuations by trading assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. If you buy at a low price and sell at a higher price, you can make a profit. Bybit also offers leverage trading, allowing you to amplify your potential returns. Futures trading. Bybit offers futures contracts where you can trade on the price movement of cryptocurrencies without actually owning the asset. You can trade both long or short. Futures trading provides the opportunity to profit from both rising and falling markets. Staking. Bybit offers staking services where you can lock your cryptocurrencies for a period and earn rewards. This can generate passive income as you earn interest on the staked assets. Referral program. You can also make money by referring friends to Bybit. By sharing your referral link, you can earn a percentage of their trading fees.